Okay guys, this one purely price action method, and how we determining what type of trading strategy we are going to use tomorrow, and in which direction we will take the position for the tomorrow. So this is the purely price action method. So once we identify the market trend, so whole day we are looking for a buy or short in a specific level. So how we exactly identify tomorrow we are going to buy or sell? So let me explain this one. So it's a purely price action method. So basically, what is called the price action method? Price action method means price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. So it's a purely price action method, and price are running in uptrend. All right, and the price goes down, pull back, goes down, pull back, goes down, pull back, goes down. This is the purely price action method we are using, and we identify that trend is running in a downtrend. But how we identify in a which direction we are going to take position tomorrow? So today market closed somewhere here, this one Nifty, and another this one Bank Nifty. So in a which direction tomorrow we are going to take position? That is the important thing. So once I identify the direction, and tomorrow I am going to take position in the same direction only, as I said today in my video. So let me explain first by using daily time frame how we identify the trend by using price action. Let me explain here first the Nifty. So here you can see this one Nifty, and here this one high and this one low. Next day, most of the people are thinking this is the bearish candle. We are looking for short, but we are looking for buy only. So today we are looking for buy only. So what is the reason behind that? So now you can see this one higher point, and there's a lower point, and the next candle that one higher point and that one lower point. So what we have seen here by using these two candles, so means price are creating new higher high and lower high. So once they appear this type of candle, next day means this one we are looking for buy above opening point. Does it make sense? Okay. Now here I can see first higher point, lower point, and the lower point. And today we are looking for buy only after breaking this opening point. All right. Same condition. Another here I can see Bank Nifty. We have seen different scenario. So here I can see this one higher point, that's a lower point, but next candle higher point lower than previous high, and this candle higher lower is higher than previous candle. So we can say this one called this is called inside bar. All right, inside bar. So we have seen two scenario in this market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, they are forming higher high and a higher low like that. Higher high and higher low, right? But Bank Nifty, they are forming inside bar like that and like that. All right. So if price are forming higher high and a higher low, entire day we are looking for buy only. If price sustain above opening price, we are looking for buy only. There are no price action method, nothing. After giving a pullback, we are looking for buy. After giving a pullback, we are looking for buy. But in a bank Nifty, what we have seen, they form an inside bar. This one inside bar. So on the red candle, this is the inside bar. So once appear inside bar, we are looking for a buy or short by using price action method. Let me explain the both scenario. So before I explain, let me show you something here. So let me show you here. Now here I can see price opening higher high, higher low, and higher low. So next day, what we are going to do? We are looking for buy only. Next, here you can see another condition: higher high, higher low, lower low. All right. So next day, price open somewhere there. Open here, we are looking for buy. Enter day, we are looking for buy. So next day, higher high, and higher high, lower low, lower low. What we are going to do? We are looking for buy only. So where is our buy point? Our buy point above this opening point. So this area is buying opportunity. But when price break this opening point, we are not taking any position on the buy side. All right. So next candle, higher high, lower, and higher low. So next candle opens somewhere there, but we are looking for buy. So what exactly doing most of the people? So they have seen this is the bearish candle. Most of the people are looking for short, but we are looking for buy. Why? Because previous day candle, you can see previous higher high, and higher low. All right. So that is why we bought somewhere there. So next candle, they form higher, lower low, and the lower low. This one higher low. So we are looking for short after breaking this opening point. So have you seen any sell opportunity in this candle? There are no sell opportunity. Why? Because we are looking for short after breaking this opening point. So here you can see there are no retracement or lower price below this opening point. So here you can see this one price exactly opens somewhere there and goes up. No sell opportunity. So next candle, what we have seen? Higher high, lower high. All right. So next day, what we are looking for buy? We are looking for buy in this area only. All right. So next here I can see higher high, lower, and the lower high. So next day we are looking price open somewhere there, and exactly we are looking for buy. Very interesting. This is the most powerful price action method. You just go and check this one. Okay. So today we are looking for buy. Why? This one Nifty. So let me show you Nifty first. So here I can see higher, all right, lower low. So according to the price action method, creating higher high, right? So that is why Nifty we are looking for buy. So exactly price open somewhere there, and once break this opening point, we are just looking for buy, and we bought somewhere there and book the profit. Have you make sense? But Nifty here I can see bank Nifty, this is the different scenario: higher high, lower point, and higher point. So it's called inside bar. Once inside bar form, so what exactly we are doing? We are using price action method by in a small time frame, like a 1 minute chart. Let me explain in a 1 minute chart. So here I can see this 1 minute chart, and price opens somewhere, I think somewhere in this area, somewhere here. So price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, and it goes up. So in this scenario, we are using some demand and supply. We exactly bought and booked the profit by standard deviation. Next, we got some buy opportunity and goes up a little bit, and pull back and it goes up. So another, in this area there was one standard deviation line. Finally price broke this lower point. Now price action method I starting. So why we are using price action method? Because they form an inside bar. I think you remember. So you just check it, repeat and repeat. All right, you watch it, repeat and repeat, then it comes to know. So once pull back and goes up, and a pull back, so we have seen this is the supply zone somewhere there. Not exactly supply zone. And price hit the supply zone, we are looking for short. So why we are looking for short? Because that was an inside bar. So when they are forming an inside bar, we are using price action method. So that is a selling opportunity. Again, price drop and the pullback goes up. So now here I can see this one supply zone. All right, let me show you supply zone. Okay, now I can see that was a supply zone and the price was rejection and price drop again. Again, price goes up, pull back. So that was a supply zone. And here I can see price rejection and pullback. So in this area, we are using purely price action method. As I said, purely price action method. Now, why are we looking for buy in this area? So I use price action method. Let me explain. So here I can see in this area, price pull back to this level and again break this higher point somewhere here. So again pull back, and that was our entry point, and our booked our profit somewhere there. So already I created a video. So why this level is important? Because this is the opening line. So price was rejecting from this area and they're forming a price action method. So that is why that was our entry point. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving a valuable time.